the ultimate convenience. Your face is your password. Your body is the key.
But what happens when your key is no longer a secret? Biometrics were promised as the unhackable frontier of finance. We trusted our iris and our touch to guard our life savings.
But identifiers are not secrets. They are just data points.
And in 2026, data can be replicated faster than you can blink.
Your unique traits are being mapped. Every curve, every line.
By an enemy that never sleeps. Generative AI. On the dark web, your identity is a product, sold to the highest bidder. This is the dawning age of the biometric bypass.
Your voice can be cloned with just seconds of audio.
The smart home isn't a fortress, it's an entry point. Every biometric check is a door, and the locks are breaking.
Institutional trust is failing. Individual security is at stake. If you can't change your face, how do you change your password? The physical world is merging with the digital offensive. Replicating touch. Stealing access. One breach. Total compromise. No way to reset the key. Biometrics were the lock. Now, they are the target. A worldwide vulnerability. A silent war for your identity.
Even your heartbeat isn't safe. The Sentinel sees the bypass coming.
Welcome to the future of authentication. This is episode 2.